everybody, here is Papa Alpha 5 Hotel Romeo, and I will make a clip about my activities on Fox Tango 8 because I have not much news at the moment, and yeah, my check is complete. So yeah, I have made a monoband dipole for 20 meters a few weeks ago, and yes, and I tried today my dipole on 20 meters in Fox Tango 8, and yes, I think there was a little bit condition there because yeah, the antenna does a very good job for me, and I try the Asian station and I try American station and so on, and you can see on the map where my signal is come, and the antenna is working very well, and I'm very glad to make this antenna there. Okay, thank you very much for watching, and hope yeah, you enjoy my little clip. 73, and hope to hear you on frequencies. Yeah, here you will see my little power and SWR meter, and my outgoing power is 220 watts. Came out Fox Tango 101 Mike Papa, and the little power meter here is above the FTDX10. Okay, yeah, you will see my power outgoing, and now I let you see the tuner here, and you see the same power, 220 watts, with a very good SWR, because my dipole is for 20 meters monoband, so I have not much to tune with this antenna, and it's working very well. Yeah, here we see the display about the external monitor here, and the display shows you 200 watts, the maximum power from the FTDX 101 Mike Papa, and that is a SWR, internal SWR meter, and you see no high SWR. Yeah, here we see the FTDX 101 Mike Papa, the original display from the FTDX 101, and you can see he shows 200 watts and the same SWR by 0, no high SWR, and the maximum power 220 watts. You have seen on my power meter and my tuner the power meter. So here we see the external monitor from my PC, and shows the program we're working with, and where I do the FT8 Fox Tango 8, the digital mode, and you will see the monitor here.
Yeah, speed 516680.
Yeah, here we see the Fox Tango 991. I'm using this transceiver for my monitor. I can hear my signal, and I can hear no distortion and no other noise in my signal, so that is a control receiver here for my outgoing signal. And therefore I use the Fox Tango 991. Yeah, here you see a close-up from my little digital power meter, SWR meter, and you can see my SWR and the outgoing power 220 watt, the maximum power from the FTDX 101 Mike Papa. So here we see I worked Kilo 6 Juliet Delta Charlie in FT8, and there are my signals, not so very bad, because my dipole is not so much high. I think it's only between 5 and 7 meters above the ground here, and I was calling CQ again. Yeah, here you see the display, the monitor from the incoming station, the very big signals, the European signals, and the very far away signals you can see. And here is my external monitor from the FTDX 101 mic Papa, and you will see my outgoing power, 200 watts, 220 watts, and the very good SWR 0. And yeah, my antenna, so as say earlier, is a monoband dipole, rotary dipole, and here we see the 220 watts you see, and my SWR almost 0, because the antenna is doing a very nice job. It's monoband for 20 meters. Yeah, here can you see the Charlie Uniform 3 Hotel November is answering me, but he works in other station from Japan. Here you see how my Shaggies looks like, and what are my transceivers and microphones and so on. Yeah, hope you will enjoy. There are two microphones from Yaesu, the M1s, very nice microphones. And yeah, you can see the rest of my Shag here. What you hear in the background here is the air radio from the planes in my neighborhood here, and that is a radio from the planes here in my neighborhood, and that is the sounds what you can hear in the background. That is a little monitor, external monitor from my FTDX10, the little one from Yaesu, and the little external monitor.
270 or less, 2 and take out.
Yeah, here you see the FX771, my SWR and power meter for my FTDX10. That is my clock, and that is my FTDX 991, my monitor receiver to look and to hear. My signal is good, and no noise and no distortion. And here on the other side, my big tuner for my 40 meter and my power amp Acom 1000. Yeah, it's a very good and nice power amp. It's my power supply for the FT991 and some other things. And here we go to the other side, to right side. It's my receiver here, my scanner, and the IC7300. And most I work on 6 meter with this transceiver in the sporadic E-season. So, here we see my monitor from my PC and shows the map, and you can see where is my signal coming down.
Die Regelcharakter nicht volle Pulle aufregeln und dann Spannung zurückregeln. Und das hat den L-Code zerrissen, dummerweise auch von der Endstufe. Ne? Die Endstufe hat es scheinbar überstanden. Und ja, leider ist da volle Pulle Kurzschluss gewesen. Naja, ich muss das nochmal reparieren. Ich habe hier schon Ersatzteile liegen, aber ich habe es erstmal zur Seite gelegt. Ne? Und jetzt wieder was Schönes hier, Echo DKI. DH0SK, hier DH1ND.
Wollte ich mir eigentlich jetzt erst diesen Raspberry-Transceiver bauen, der überprüft ist. Aber das bekommt auch und da mal wieder so ein bisschen mehr machen. sehr gut. Ne? Ich bin aktiviert worden, da war ja das Ansatz mit Pausieren und dann die Unabhängigkeit. Und die ganzen Relais sagen wir auch mit FT8 ne? Kann man dann sehr schön auf dem Raspberry betreiben.
Ja, Roger, hier Delta Hotel 1, November Delta. Ja, FT8 ist es.
Und ich habe aber auch für mich so einen Hotspot. Zum einen habe ich den so, dass ich hier dann mit einem kleinen Handfunkgerät, ich habe hier so einen kleinen, da gibt es ja die Hotspot-Einstellung an. Simplex-Link nennt sich das und dann kann man das hervorragend betreiben. Das habe ich auch im Wohnmobil. Wenn ich dann mal mit dem Wohnmobil wegfahre, dann kann ich die große Wohnmobilantenne nutzen und dann kann ich das.
Yeah, here you see where is my signal coming down, and there was very good condition on 20 meters, and so almost everywhere is my signal hearable. So here we see I worked at Japanese station Juliet Romeo 3 India India Romeo. Okay, this was a little clip about my activities on FT8, digital mode on 20 meters. I try my new dipole, the rotary dipole. I have made the dipole a few weeks ago, and now I try this dipole for a few days, and there must be a little bit condition on 20 meters, but so as you can see, I was almost hearable everywhere, and my dipole is working very well. Thank you very much for watching my video, and hope we're here again on frequency 73 from Papa America 5 Hotel Romeo. Bye!